Hi, my name is Jan. I'm a regional community manager at OKEx. This year, our team held multiple OKEx Talks meetups in Yerevan, Moscow, Tbilisi, Kharkiv, Dnepr, and Vinnytsia. Today, we're at BlockchainUA in order to better familiarize all of the guests and participants of the conference with the capabilities of OKEx Exchange. Do you think crypto can replace fiat?
I don't see Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency replacing fiat. It's all going to be in tandem. And for now, the way I see it is and I'm not a maximalist. It's just that for now, all we have is Bitcoin.
What do you think blockchain industry is missing that will take it to the moon again?
Well, I think it's only mass adoption. So I think new big technologies, big projects should come. It should be only about earning money by investment. Blockchain should be just implemented in our ordinary life. That I think where it is.
What is crypto revolution for you? And did it already happen, or if not, when will it come?
Yeah, I would say it's already happened. It takes a lot of time to develop. I believe it doesn't mean that everybody will switch to Bitcoin. It's rather they will adopt certain models to apply it to other cases.
Can you give an advice for people who are new and just want to buy cryptocurrencies? Can you give them advice on what to do and where to go?
Just use OKEx.